All right, let's take a look at graphing negative 2x squared minus 8x minus 6. So again, just like before, we need to make sure that we have our negative b over 2a. So I need to plug in for b and for a. So let's label our original equation, ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, a is negative 2, b is negative 8. So let's plug in negative 8 here. Oops, I should have put in parentheses for a. Okay, over 2 times, and then we said that a was negative 2. So negative over negative is a positive, so I have 8. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So this simplifies down to negative 2. Now we've set x equal to negative 2 and plug in to negative 2 something squared minus 8 times that same something minus 6. Okay, and we said that that something was going to be negative 2. Okay, so there we go. Negative 2 squared is 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16. So we're just going to keep that there. And then we're going to minus 6. So yet again, I have like constants, negative 8 minus 6. That's negative 14 plus 16. So set 16 minus 14, which is 2. So my vertex is at 2 and negative 2. Now we're going to factor to find our roots. So we take negative 2x squared minus 8x minus 6, and we're going to equal it to 0. Let me fix that. So, a couple things. This tells me that I cannot do regular factoring until I get rid of it. Okay, so that means I got to factor that out. So we're going to divide everything by negative 2. Okay, so I have a negative 2 on the outside. Then we have negative 2 over negative 2 is just 1, so I have x squared. Negative over negative is a positive. 8 over 2 is 4x. Negative 6 over negative 2 is positive 3. We equal it to 0. Okay, so we look again for the factors of this last term, which is 1 times 3. They both need to be positive, so we have plus and plus. So we have negative 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 3 equals 0. I set these two equal to 0 and solve for x. So we have x plus 1 equals 0 and x plus 3 equals 0. So x equals negative 1, x equals negative 1, or 3. And let's graph our vertex, 2, negative 2, negative 1, negative 3. I'm sorry, my vertex, I flipped that. I'm sorry, my vertex should actually be the opposite way. It should be negative 2 here and 2 there. So this is what we're going to graph. So we're going to graph negative 2, and then up 2, and then negative 3 and negative 1. And then we graph that. We're going to go down like that, down like that. And there's our graph.